y'all, so welcome back to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, hey friend. So today I am going to show y'all this cute style that I seen on Instagram. Unfortunately, I did not save the video. I think it was a video because I would love to give credit where credit is due. But right now I'm going off straight memory. I don't know why I saved it, but I was thinking about it the other day and I was like, this would be a cute style. Like, I don't have a retwist or I don't have a fresh retwist, and I feel like I can accomplish this look without a retwist. So I'm here to share with y'all how I do this extremely cute style on my 7-week post retwist. 7-week post 7 weeks. It's been 7 weeks since my last retwist, okay, y'all? Let me get a little closer so y'all can see what I'm about to be doing to the front of my hair. So I'm gonna put the back into a ponytail because I can do that now, you know? Not to brag or anything, but I just put the back of my hair into a ponytail. Okay, so the front is what we're working with. I want to start styling my hair more when I do need retwists, because for some reason when I don't have a retwist, I don't really be feeling the best. That's because I don't be styling my hair, but I need to start styling it. I need to start doing some so I don't be retwisting my hair as much as I did, because I'm trying to make my retwist last at least 6 weeks now. But all I did was spray my hair. You're gonna need some butterfly clips. I used these clips like a year ago when my hair was super short, and I haven't used them since because my hair has gotten longer and my locks have matured. But now I felt like I could use them for this style. So all you're gonna do is spray your row. You're gonna part your rows front to back, and then you're just going to slightly flat strand twist it. I can't remember if I did this style when my hair was shorter or not. I feel like I kind of did. I'm not gonna lie, I think I did. I'm gonna go back and look, and if I didn't, I'm gonna put a little clip up in here. It's super easy. I haven't even thought about doing this style in a while since my hair has gotten longer, but I love to do this style. When I was a loose natural, I would do it with braids. I'm gonna do 2 clips for every 2 rows. But I love to do this style when I have loose natural hair. I would braid the front and let the back be out. But yeah. Okay, I knew it was gonna be a little funky up in here because I don't know how I parted that. So we're just gonna this little section is gonna be a little thicker. Spray. And then we're going to flat strand twist it. This is definitely a cute, like, summer hairstyle, I think, in my opinion, just to get like your hair out of your face. Like, nobody wants to deal with that every day. So I'll just lightly twist it backwards. And I'm gonna show you some other styles that I'm gonna do. So I only use 1 clip on that one since it is a thicker section. But honestly, I think I could do this hairstyle within like 5 minutes. Like, if I were to go out and I'm like, okay, I need to do my hair. Like, what should I do? And I decide to do this, quick and easy. This hairstyle, I do think will be like an easy hairstyle, a go-to hairstyle. The top is a little bit harder, but hold on now. There we go. We're gonna do 2 clips for this one. 1 row. Spray the water. If you do need gel, by all means use it, but I honestly don't think I do. I think water is good enough. And then get my butterfly clip and clip it in there. Okay. Do y'all see like what it's giving? Like, it's giving like cornrows in the front. Let me show it. Let me give y'all a little preview. Like, just let your hair hang. I feel like it's super cute. I don't care what nobody say. So let's do the other side. I don't have enough black clips, so I'm gonna have to use brown clips for this side. So we're gonna part the hair, spray the roots. So I'm just going to twist. I already sprayed, so clip. Okay, the hardest part of this is trying to find all my locks for the right rows. Okay. Oh Lord. Okay, so pull out my row, spray my water, twist. Okay, I'm having a little malfunctions over here. Okay, twist. I'm just dropping my clips. Okay, clip. Ciao. I'm just, now I feel like I'm messing up because I'm rushing. I'm trying to beat the clock. Spray, twist, and clip. Spray, twist. I don't know if I'm gonna do a retwist soon because I kind of want to try a braid out on my hair, not retwisted. There's a few things I want to try on my outgrown roots. I want to do a braid out, and I also want to try perm rods. I want to see how my hair will look if I did perm rods. I think it'll be kind of interesting how my hair will look for a braid out and a perm rod, because I want to see what the curls are gonna look like, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't know. I'm very indecisive right now, but this is a very cute temporary style for me. And boom. Okay, I think these were supposed to, I don't know, they were supposed to be shared, I think. I don't know. So let me show you the finished product. Okay, look how cute. I kind of like the brown clips better because they kind of pop, like you can see them. But I like it. I'm trying to embrace my 7-week-old retwist. My 7-week-old post retwist stage. This is my hairline, y'all. My edges are not thinning, I promise y'all. This is just how I was born. I love it. 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 So now I'm gonna go in with some rubber bands, and I'm gonna try to do. Why is that helicopter so loud? Why are you flying over here anyways? So now I'm gonna do a pigtail on both sides because I think that'll be a cute look. I'm in like my pigtail girl era. Let's see. I love the pigtails. I went to a Drake concert last week and I did 2 space buns and they're so cute, and I feel like I could do it with these too. But I'm not gonna do that because it took a long time and a lot of rubber bands to do 2 space buns that were like neat. But I think it would be cute. I love me a good space bun, pigtail action going on. And last but not least, I'm gonna try to do a pineapple or a half up, half down, whichever one looks right. Okay, it's gonna be a half up, half down. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay, it's not bad. Yes, okay, I love this look. It's super cute. It's super fast. Oh, I forgot to stop my timer. Okay, well, I think it was like around 2.5 minutes. I don't know, but it was super fast to do on one side, so I know this could be a quick little style for you to do to go out. I kind of want to do like a comparison video of the styles that I used to do before my hair got to my shoulders and see like how the styles will look now that my hair is longer, but I'm not really sure if I can do some of those styles anymore. But I feel like that would be a pretty cool video to compare like the two sides and styles, but I don't know yet. But this is the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friend.